Gusty weather this week causing issues around the islands with power outages taking longer to restore. Nathan Shinagawa has more.
Here for us in Hawaii, winter is going to be when we're going to have stronger winds in general. Right now, winds are coming out of the north at around 15 to 20 miles per hour, a little bit stronger. We had a front move through this morning, and that really picked up the winds.
The winds have been giving residents a headache as well, with multiple extended power outages this week.
What we've seen is, it's either the lines being blown around, getting close to each other, or vegetation, trees or tree branches blowing into the lines, causing outages or causing damage to the lines.
Now, I'm not using the mic today so you can hear and see just how strong the winds are down here in Honolulu. And the National Weather Service says that up north and along the windward coast, it's much stronger.
As we know, the trees and the bushes will grow continuously, so it is an ongoing process. You trim in one area, you move on to the next, and on a scheduled basis, we'll go back and revisit areas to trim stuff back as it regrows.
And as the season continues, so will the winds.
A little bit too early to tell, but we're in this time of year where we're going to have patterns, and this pattern is producing one of these fronts roughly once a week right now.
Nathan Shinagawa, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.